Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to stop Temu SMS messages. So if you're getting promotional SMS messages from Temu, you can stop them in a few different ways. So to start, open Temu and sign in to your account. Next, tap you in the bottom corner. Next, go to the settings icon in the top right. Next, tap notifications. Then turn off SMS or text message notifications if it's available. So to turn it off, look for chat messages and click edit beside it. Now, once you're here, click SMS. Then make sure you turn it off. You can also turn off email from here and turn off push notifications. Now, if you've opted out but are still receiving texts, you can contact Tama customer support and ask them to remove your phone number from their marketing SMS list. You can also uninstall Temu. So to do that, look for Temu app, then press and hold it, then click delete app, then click delete again to confirm the action. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.